So in today's video we discuss how to add or remove a draft from WhatsApp. So suppose if you want to test a message in WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp and enter something text to the person that you want to send. For example, I am going to type here hello and I am going to save this as a draft. So after typing hello, I am pressing this back button. I again press this back button, and if you open this WhatsApp, then you can see that near to the person that we tested the message, here it is written hello in a green color. Draft is written in green color. And if you want to remove this draft, you must open the it once again, and you can see that it's hello. And if you press this back button, then you can remove the text from here, or you can remove the draft from here. So of this video, else for more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.